Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of craftsmanship. Today, we'll delve into a topic that often confuses people: the difference between carpentry and woodworking. While they may seem similar, there are distinct characteristics that set these two disciplines apart. So, let's dive right in. Carpentry is a skilled trade that involves the construction, repair, and installation of wooden structures and objects. Carpenters work with a variety of tools and materials to create and shape wood into functional and aesthetically pleasing structures, such as furniture, cabinets, doors, windows, floors, and framing for buildings. Woodworking is the craft or skill of creating objects, structures, or artistic pieces using wood as the primary material. It involves various techniques, tools, and processes to shape, cut, join, and finish wood to create functional or decorative items. Woodworking encompasses a wide range of projects, from small-scale projects like carving and turning wooden objects to large-scale projects such as furniture making, cabinetry, and even building structures like houses or boats. Woodworkers may also specialize in specific areas such as carpentry, cabinet making, joinery, or wood carving. We hope this video has clarified the differences between carpentry and woodworking for you. Remember, both disciplines require skill, dedication, and a deep appreciation for working with wood. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.